Once in a while, inspired entrepreneurialism meets innovation. The catalyst for American ingenuity. Celebrating 50 years of innovation, ingenuity, and top-of-the-line customer service, OTTO stands alone in providing quick turnaround and high quality for demanding applications. This is their story.
My father started it in the basement, and he would say it's the American dream. He used our oven as a heat treat oven, and he would sit with little jeweler's files and make little products. It was, for me, a kid watching a guy not only do what he enjoyed, but be able to provide for his family. It was very interesting.
In the very beginning of my company, we had to have very strict quality standards. And that's here to this day. Back then, practically my whole business was military controls. Today, that's, I don't think, more than 20% of what OTTO is doing. But the quality standards of that are in everything we make.
Our manufacturing strength here in Carpentersville is a big advantage. We're very vertically integrated, and we have a control over a lot of the processes that allow us to build a high-quality product. The engineering is here, molding, stamping, our turning center is here, and all of the design work is done as well. We don't source out any of the outside design work.
We're very good at doing small orders as well as large orders. And the technology in our manufacturing systems is the reason why. We're very flexible.
People look to OTTO because we will custom make in a variety of manners that will suit the customer's needs.
When I got into my own building, I was able to air condition it, make it nice for people. All in all, because of the sharing the profits and the other things we do with people, White Life, we try to make out of our relationship as employer-employee. It's a two-way street. We want to be good for each other. We're not here to hurt each other. We're here to do the best for each other, and that's the way we do get the best.
And I think that what you'll find is that as you respect the employees, they will respect you too.
We've got people that have been working here 35 years. Our machine shop's as clean as anybody's kitchen.
OTTO is a custom switch boutique. If we wanted to make just one red button that was your red, not my red, I'd wait in line for a very long time at some injection molding place. But here at OTTO, I can provide that to you tomorrow if we need to. In our audio accessory business, you'd think that people would know that there is a inauguration every 4 years. But invariably, 3 days before the inauguration, when we know there's going to be 20,000 extra security officers in Washington, we get an order for a bunch of audio accessories. And we're able to turn that around because of our vertical integration.
It's not done in Mexico or China or elsewhere in the South or any place where we could get it done cheaper. It's done right here. That means all of the manufacturing, that means the machine shop, that means the stampings, means the molding department, means the engineering, it means the big test lab, and all of this assembly is all going on in a big integrated manufacture here.
We made things for demanding applications. So we focused on providing product to the firemen, the policemen, the Secret Service. In our lobby, we have a speaker microphone, which is really the lifeline communication for firemen. And it is all burned up. And we received this back from a fireman who said he was in a horrible fire, and his radio, of course, is under his coat, but his speaker microphone is hanging on his coat. And this thing is all burned up, but it still worked. And what he was saying was, thank you for giving me something that will work in time of peril for me.
It's a very specialized business, and it isn't just a matter of making them the same. It's understanding all the little details of the assembly process, of the stamping, of the molding, of the turning, of the testing facilities that OTTO has. All of those things have really become very refined in the last 50 years and sets us apart from a lot of our competitors.
We have taken a strategy of demanding application, broad product line growth, and integrated that into value solutions such that I don't think there are many companies like us in the switch industry today.
Well, I think the future is very bright. Certainly on the engineering side, we're incorporating all of the new techniques that the rest of the world is using as far as rapid prototyping and as far as the software tools that are necessary for a good design.
Well, the technologies have changed dramatically over the years. We used to have very simple 2-axis lathes, and now we have lathes that have as much as 36 axes of motion. We've automated a lot of processes. In doing so, we've changed the process to where they're geared towards small run as well as long runs, short run.
In the last 50 years, OTTO has certainly become an expert at the technology of producing various switches, and in the last 20 years at producing audio products.
OTTO continues to pride itself on cutting-edge technologies while being able to turn out a product for a demanding application faster and better than any competitor. This is the backbone and formula for OTTO's success. OTTO is poised to advance into the 21st century with continued innovation, quality, and cutting-edge technology. Nevertheless, the 50-year foundation of values and principles in the workplace are what really allows OTTO to be such a successful, vertically integrated manufacturing company in America.
In the future, it continues to be bright about that. The technologies that are available in our marketplace for us as a manufacturer continue to change. We can do things in vertical integration today that you could not do only 10 years ago.
I named OTTO after my father, who was a great man. He died just before I started this company, but he's a great man. And we're all proud to put the name OTTO on what we make.
Seeking excellence is one thing. Achieving excellence is quite another thing. But maintaining excellence, well, that's an OTTO thing.